Okay, we have power coming in, going to a positive rail, and ground coming off the Arduino as well, going to a negative rail. For sensors, we have 3 sensor channels, 3, 4, and 5, and these are in line with 3 resistors. Each one is in line with a different resistor, and in series with each resistor is a switch, which is our sensor, and when you hit the switch, power flows to the resistor. The sensor picks up the voltage difference between one side of the resistor and ground, and if that's greater than 2 volts, it will output a high on the Arduino. Okay, and right here we have just some current limiters for our LEDs, and those are also hooked up to digital channels. Okay, so if I hit this button, LED 1 comes on. If I hit this button, LED 2 comes on. If I hit these 2 buttons at once, LED 3 comes on. And if I hit this button, all the LEDs go off. And if I do 1 off, that's off always. So for the code to make that happen, we have our 3 outputs, our 3 inputs, and in our loop we have our first if statement, and this is sensing the digital read and digital read. So we have a high and a low, and if one of the buttons is pressed and the other is not pressed, that will turn on. That will write to pin 8, which is our first LED. And then same thing for this else if, and then another else if for if both buttons are pressed. And then last we have a separate if statement, because this needs to run no matter what. And as you can see, for this, it detects if the third button is hit, and it sets all pins off.